episode we visited Nara Deer Park and we had a great time with the deer. Today we are leaving Nara for our next destination. While waiting to get on the train, we noticed that the train seats are rotatable. Also, these trains have two floors. The upper floor has a regular train seats and the bottom floor has a very cute tables. We are on our way to Otsu. It's like an hour from Kyoto.
Change here. The train to Senri.
We just arrived in Otsu, and in order to get to our hotel, we have to call for a free shuttle. We're waiting for the shuttle right now to take us to the hotel. And can you guess what is behind us?
Surprisingly, there is an onsen outside, right here. You can soak your feet inside.
Unbelievable! Free shuttles coming. That was very fast service. I'm impressed. Our hotel is located next to the lake. We arrived. This is the hotel. This is our room.
This is your room.
Perfect.
It's called Yamahagi. It's a kind of plant.
A plant.
It's not very common in our daily lives, but it sounds elegant for the Japanese people. This is leggings.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Daniel surprised me with this room for my birthday. Our hotel room comes with two toilets, different from what we've seen in our stay in Japan so far. This type of toilets are called toilet and sink combo. They save space and water usage. Also, there are special sleepers called bancho surapa, used only in the bathroom. This is the little kitchen. So the sink and a lot of bookshelves with Japanese books. Not sure what this book is about. Oh, this one is about travel.
The way to the public bathhouse, it's in another building, not this one. On the third floor, on the third floor, you have take the elevator and go to the third floor of this building. Then go out of the elevator on the third floor.
Okay.
On the third floor.
Mhm.
There will be some destination boards with arrows, which will show you how to go to the bathhouse.
Okay.
So this may be your room at 6 Pro, 6 AA. So please you're down 3 Pro, So your bridge.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.